What's going on, guys? Medio Daddy-O Mining. Finally, IronFish has put out a GUI wallet. I know I'm about a week late to the game, but better late than never. And I bet there are some people out there that are going to be kind of excited to get off the command line wallet or the node and get onto a regular old GUI wallet. So, first thing you're going to want to do is download the wallet. This is the address here. I will have the address down in the description for you. Click on download now for Windows. Install it real quick, which I've already done. So it's just, I don't even think there's any defaults to accept. I think you just run the exe and it gives you an icon on the desktop, and that's pretty much it. So let's launch it real quick. Let's see here. Import account. I already have a command line. I don't know if this means import like another GUI wallet or just import like your entire wallet in general. I mean, there has to be a JSON file or something like that. Yeah, I don't think there would be a mnemonic phrase with this one because, I mean, it's been a while since I set up the node for IronFish, but I don't recall there being a mnemonic phrase. I could be wrong though. But you know what? Let's learn about this together. So you know what? Let's just, for grins and giggles, let's just create a new account. And we'll just call it IronFish. Sorry, typing one-handed, holding the mic with my other hand. Okay. So let's, That's a little odd. It's not giving us a recovery phrase. Well, let's copy it. Let's see if I can paste it in a notepad or something like that. And obviously, if it shows up, then I'll be using this one as a test one and creating my own for obvious reasons. Duh. What? Okay, so it just gives us something that says undefined here. I mean, that's what I copied there. Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, undefined again. Okay, that's odd. Well, for grins and giggles, here we go. Next, let's just see what happens. And I apologize, I am running this on one of my virtual machines. I really need to upgrade my server. I just have a bunch of couple VMs running off of my my media server for Plex, and they're all on hard disk drives. I really need to set up a separate server or hard drive pool with some SSDs, because this is just painful. But yeah, I have all of my core wallets on virtual machines just to keep them off of my actual everyday computer. I also have all of my seed phrases and such backed up to the cloud. And also, I kind of, this is probably a little bit overkill, but I also have everything backed up to a USB drive that is sitting in a security lockbox at a bank. So, it's probably overkill, but better safe than sorry, I guess, right? Man, this is taking forever. Well, through the magical power of editing, it'll only be a couple seconds for you guys, so I'll just shut up and I'll be right back with you when it's done. And we are back. So I let it just sit there and bake for probably 20 or 30 minutes, and it just sat there at the white screen. I ended up just closing it out, and at the time, my command line wallet was still syncing with the blockchain. And while it was doing that, I don't know, did a quick search, Google search to see if anybody else had experienced that issue before. And I came across Rabid Mining's video. And I thumbed through that one real quick, and he had the same problem that I was having. And what I had was I had the command line node running while I was trying to launch the GUI wallet. And apparently you cannot have the same. You can't have both of them running at the same time. So that's the same problem that I got. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. And it just automatically imported my Node wallet in there. So there really is no having to import if you have the Node wallet. So there's all my stuff right there. My Node status is up to date. And you know what? Let's run through if we wanted to actually create an account. Just because. So account, we'll just call what we called it before, IronFish. And obviously I'm not going to be using this because, hello, the phrase is there. So Rabbit actually did something cool. He did a test transfer to a wallet. He actually gave away his seed phrase, and yeah, somebody took it right away. So I thought that was pretty funny and pretty cool to do too on top of it. So let's create this. Oops. Might help if I actually, copy it first. There we go. Create account, and bam, there you go. So that's pretty cool. So I guess, so now that account actually has to sync fully. Oh, that's going to take a minute. So I guess now, the question that I have is, what if I want to back up the Node wallet? There is a command line out there to get your ID for your wallet, which I guess could be considered some type of a quote-unquote seed phrase. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so there's the key right there to my wallet, and I'm not gonna open that. I'll open that on my own time, and I'll let you know what I see. Actually, no, I can edit it out. I'll just open it right now, and yeah. So there is a seed phrase here. Okay. Okay, so that's cool. Well, this is there we go. That's better. So there is a seed phrase there for the command line wallet that gets automatically imported over. It shows all my transactions. Sorry for the yawn. Yeah, this stuff. Last one was middle of June. I was mining this stuff at a loss, but for a while there, it was actually going pretty good. I was actually making a little bit of money off of it, and just kept going down. I wonder what it is right now. Let's take a quick peek at what is that? Coin market cap. Sorry, still typing with one hand. Coin market cap. Let's take a look at IronFish. Come on. There we go. 94 cents. Holy crap. Man, that is awful. I remember when it started, it was like $35 a shot. And I think I stopped mining it when it was, I want to say maybe $3, maybe $2, somewhere in there. I wonder what the network hash rate is on it right now. I mean, we're under $1. I mean, hopefully the network hash rate has dropped down a little bit. So mining pool stats. Search for IronFish. Okay, so it's dropped significantly. Oh, wow. I would say it was well over a petahash when I was mining it. So what is this? At its lowest, it hit about 87 cents. Holy crap. Well, let's see. Let's check out good old What's Mine. Okay, I'm back on my regular computer now and off of the virtual machine since I kind of have all of my settings saved on this one. So let's see what we would be making today. So for IronFish, for my 4 rigs, I averaged about 224 gigahash on 1600 watts of power. So, whoa. What in the world is going on here? This has to be... That's got to be a mistake. That's got to be an oops. There's no way in hell. That'd be pretty cool, though. All right, anywho. Way down here. Oh, man. So, yeah, negative 71 cents. $3 for the day, and you'd still only mine 3.3 IronFish. And my electric is 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Man. Alrighty, well, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Have a great 4th, and yeah, see you guys later.